Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this Motorola. Begin with opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Then scroll down again and click on vibrate focus. Over here you need to click on one of those options to select the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring gradually. I will go with the last one. Now tap on the back button and click on shortcut to prevent ringing. You can set up vibrate by clicking on it. Then go back, scroll down and click on the switcher next to outgoing call vibration to switch it off or on. You can also click on it and manage it from here. And tap on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibration and that vibration to switch them off or on as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!